Hi, monsoons are here and we all face problems during these monsoons with skin and hair. So one is that you will get prickly heat all over your body and your forehead. A wonderful way to deal with that is make sandalwood in powder into a paste, apply it on those areas and have a cold shower. Another wonderful cooling thing to use is use sandalwood oil in your bath water and use that. That is also a wonderful way. The second is, of course, your hair gets oily and greasy. A wonderful thing for that is to shampoo your hair regularly, and it is very, very simple to give you that lovely look. And third but not least is to use all gel-based products during the season. Don't use heavy creams and lotions, which is going to make it even more sticky and perspiring, and it's not so great.